Hello everyone, it's YNVU Skin here. I had a lot of inquiries asking, how do you actually use that African shea butter? Well, here you go. I have my lovely model, Janiyah Clay. She's going to show you guys how to use the African shea butter, the raw version. She's actually chosen the gold. Okay, great. Go ahead, Janiyah.
We have some family business to discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
You just keep rubbing it until it actually melts. You'll see it becomes clear. You can already start feeling your hands and everything feeling moist, right? Yeah, you put it on your lips, your face. One thing I like about the shea butter, it does not clog your pores. People think because it's kind of on the greasy side, but it's not grease. It's made from the African nuts of the shea butter tree, so it will not clog your pores. Use as much as you want. Janiyah uses it on her elbows, which is normally dry, your hands, up and down. So you can put it on your legs, your knees, your heels, your feet, anywhere where you have dry skin. It has so many moisturizing benefits. Gives you the clear, smooth skin. I use that gold actually on my knees every day because it has the arthritis, pain relief, inflammation, everything. It helps with that. So here you go. Go ahead and just bathe yourself in shea butter. I like it when I get out of the tub because it actually seals in the moisture. Here in Texas, our water is very dry. So as soon as you got the tub, you just have to dry yourself out with the shea butter, lock in your moisture, and you don't have to worry about lotioning up for the rest of the day. Thank you, Janiyah. You did a great job. Class of 2020. She missed her birthday. She missed her graduation. But here you go. She actually did it. She said she could do it, and she did it. Thank you, Janiyah, for the shea butter demonstration. I'll have a great night. Bye-bye.